Today I have a 2007 Lexus RX 350. This is a two-owner car with a clean Carfax, no accidents reported. It's well equipped, leather, heated memory seats, power tailgate, satellite radio. It's a very nice car. It's pretty much rust-free. It originally was sold in Arizona new, and after a while it moved to Upper New York. The tires are like new, they're all matching. This is full luxury all the way around, power sunroof. Comes with our extended 3-month, 3,000 mile service contract warranty. The underneath is as clean as the top side. Vehicle is $89.95, cash, credit cards, debit cards, bank checks, credit unions. And if you need help with financing, we have sources no matter what your credit situation is. Come check this out at Tempest Motors. Again, this is a very nice, rust-free 2007 luxury SUV. It's pearl white, tan leather interior. Come take it for a drive. You'll fall in love with this car. You'll definitely want to buy it. Thanks for looking.